So guys, we're going to start debadging, or sorry, detinting the vehicle in preparation for inspection. First thing that's going to have to come off is this here, the windshield. That's an automatic failure. And guys, like I said, I wish I could keep it, but I know it's not going to fly, so you just got to do what you got to do. Sorry about the noise. It's on there pretty good. And then what I'm going to have to do is get a glass cleaner or adhesive remover to remove the glue that's left behind. Alright, mission number 1 accomplished. So guys, now that we've removed the tint from the windshield, you may be wondering what's the best way to get rid of that sticky residue, and we have a solution. Some of you might have gone and tried the tint removal from the store, stuff like that, but you may have the solution right there at home, and it's 91% isopropyl alcohol applied to a cloth, and this breaks up the residue, breaks up the glue that's behind the tint. And as you can see, the before and after. So that's it guys, you just apply the 91% isopropyl alcohol to a cloth, apply it to the affected area, and a little patience, and works good as anything. Alright, so show you that before and after there, and that's it. The glue's over here, and that's a clear spot right there. Okay guys, One Key Car Garage out. So guys, this is the magic right here. You can find this at your local Home Depot. It's called Citrus Strip, Paint and Varnish Stripper. And look at the progress. We're working on these headlights guys. Put this on for you know, so far a few minutes, and as you can see, it's starting to work to get that paint off the headlights. So that should save us you know, a few pennies well on purchasing new headlights for inspection. So that's it guys, One Key Car Garage. Again, this is a Citrus Strip Paint and Varnish Stripper. Found this at Home Depot. Works like magic. I've tried varnish and a bunch of other things, didn't work, and this seemed to be doing the magic guys. So ciao. So that's it guys, final product. Went over it with coarse and fine sandpaper, wet sanded it at the end with a 2000 grit sandpaper, and then followed that with the clear, and paint that I mentioned in another video, and that was the outcome. Now for the taillights, I have 2 clear ones coming. I'm not going to do the same thing on these because I'm thinking I'm going to want to keep these, so you know, when we're done doing what we're doing, we're going to go ahead and put those back on. All right, so the next thing we're going to tackle is the front tints. And like I said, guys, I wish I could keep those, but this is what the headlights came out to. Not bad at all, not bad at all, clear. And that's the way it's supposed to be. You're supposed to be able to see where you're going, but no judgment. And yes, guys, that's it. The work continues. One key out.